Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening device's settings. Now scroll down and choose personalizations. Following that, scroll down again, click on font and display size, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview over here. When you're ready, save your changes by choosing apply and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!